I'm the nose that knows, and I know that today you join me for another
Biker Cafe Breakfast.
If you don't know already, that was the voice of Hippo-drones, who I'm going to meet up with to go check out another
Biker Cafe Breakfast.
I'm meeting him at P&H Motorcycles in Crawley. Always good to go to a little bike shop and have a little perv. And then we're heading to the Pop-In Cafe in Crawley. Now I know what you're thinking, this is not strictly a biker cafe, and I had the same reservations. But Hippo-drones assures me that a lot of bikers go there, so on his head be it. As always, I will be having the biggest breakfast they offer, and a cappuccino. The cafe will be judged on 5 different categories, each category scored out of 10, bringing us a total score out of 50. The first category is the breakfast itself. What's the quality like? How good's the sausage? What does it include? What doesn't it include? Number 2, coffee. How good is the coffee? Is it done from a machine? Is it done properly? Number 3, the facilities. What are the facilities like? How clean is it? What does it smell like? Are there any little extras there to make it a little bit better? Number 4, sort of a 4. Number 4, value. How expensive is it? How expensive is the menu? How expensive are the drinks? Finally, the most important one, number 5, the roads. How good are the roads around it? Right, we're going to pick this up I think when we get towards Crawley, because this is going to be incredibly boring. In a while, crocodile. So I've just gone past P&H, of course I missed the entrance. I'm not 100% where it is. So, just had some grub. Very tasty. And there is Hippo-drones up here. We're going to go for a little wander. A very nice chat with Hippo-drones. Really nice blokes, thanks for that. Also bought me breakfast. Lesson for all other motor vloggers there. So we are heading to Hippo-drones' favourite little stretch of road. Go see what that's all about. What's that? P&H Motorcycles. Can't believe I've never been there before. Bloody massive. Everything. Ducatis, KTMs, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki. Do everything there. Definite bonus that the cafe is literally next door. So number 1, the breakfast itself. It was bloody massive. 2 big old sausages, 2 eggs, 2 bacon, 2 hash brown, 2 black pudding, mushrooms, beans and chips. I have to say it defeated me, because I couldn't quite polish it all off. Especially with all the toast as well. Sausages weren't, you know, butcher quality sausages, but they weren't bad, and the rest of the breakfast was very good, so I'm going to score the breakfast at 8. Now the coffee, it was from a machine, but it was very reasonable, so I'm going to give the coffee a 7. Number 3, the facilities. Very basic, but you know, everything you needed there. Toilets were right clean. The only one gripe I have is the cafe itself is up some quite steep steps, so coming back down them in bike boots is a little bit of a bastard. So facilities, 7. Number 4, value. It's very good value. My breakfast was £8.50 I believe for the biggest one. Very reasonable prices. Coffee was a couple of quid. So I'm going to give the value an 8. And then finally, the roads. Let's go find out, shall we? Now we need to talk about the roads. There are some decent roads around here, but the cafe itself is in Crawley. So the roads, the immediate roads in the vicinity of the cafe are absolutely terrible. We got stuck in traffic, quite a big jam for a little bit. Jesus Christ. Well, this traffic is bloody horrific. It's boiling in these levers, there's no air going through them. So that is going to affect its score, I'm afraid to say. Should drop a little rev bomb. Would be rude not to, really, wouldn't it? Oh. Yeah, can you just let me pass, mate? Oh, there's always one, isn't there? Fine baps there. No baps there. These are too many baps. Roads. Because the cafe was in amongst Crawley, it had some really shit busy roads around it. So for that, I'm afraid to say I'm going to have to take 2 points off the road score I was going to give. I was going to give the road a 7, so I'm afraid it's going to have to be a 5. Might sound a bit harsh, but that's the type of guy I am. If you disagree with me, let me know down in the comments and I will explain to you my reasoning even further. So that brings the score on this episodes of
Biker Cafe Breakfast!
2. Let's check out the leaderboard. If you've got a biker cafe that you want me to check out, let me know down in the comments. If you want to come with me, let me know down in the comments. If you're watching from Hippo-drones channel, thank you very much. Feel free to watch any of my other videos and subscribe. If you would like to see Hippo-drones view of events today, link will be in the description below. See you later, gang.